a great balance, an introduction to our natural world. Nature is a complex and beautiful system where every living thing plays a vital role. To understand how our planet stays healthy, we must look at the fundamental pillars: biodiversity, photosynthesis, and the cycle of life. Then nature, variety is not just beautiful, it is essential for survival. Biodiversity refers to the millions of different species, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. When an ecosystem is diverse, it is much stronger and can recover quickly from changes or disasters. The Earth's engine, everything starts with the sun, through a process called photosynthesis. Green plants capture sunlight and convert it into energy. During this process, thence taken carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is the very air we need to breathe. The cycle of life, nothing in nature is ever wasted. When a leaf falls or an organism passes away, decomposes like fungi and bacteria turn that matter into nutrients for the soil. This creates a closed loop system where dead always fuels new life. Ecosystem, a community of living organisms interacting with the environment. Sustainability, using resources in a way that they do not run out for future generations. Habitat for home or environment of an animal, plants or other organism. A lesson from Ymir to Earth. Just as Zephyr brings balance to your galaxy as Jing Jang, our Earth requires balance